I didn't give very much time to self-study. It was just three. And when it was the time for fun, then also I was not worried about my studies. I was first not shortlisted.
Offer from IIM Bangalore.
Time waste करना is not a solution. When you get addicted to it, you won't even know कि कब आपके 3 से 4 घंटे waste हो गए.
The secret of getting ahead is getting started. The most beautiful thing in the learning is that no one can take it away from you. Welcome to the inspiring episode of Kanamakhan Millennium School. Today we are sitting down with Krishnam Agrawal. Krishnam, welcome to the show podcast of Kanamakhan Millennium School.
Thank you.
First of all, I would like to congratulate you from the behalf of entire school management and teachers and all the staff, and like your colleagues even would be very happy. Like achievements, I can find 10th grade 98.6%, 3rd district topper, 12th commerce 97.8%, 2nd district topper, CUET score 877 out of 1000. Also offer from IIM Bangalore. That's really a great achievement.
Thank you.
It is commendable. It is looking like a dream comes true. So Krishnam, my first question from you is how you maintain the balance between like either student find difficulty ke whether they should go for board exam or they should fight for the competitive exams to get good colleges through it, like CUET and IPC, other private exams or universities also like IIMs. So how did you prepare yourself in maintaining the balance for both?
Sir, the secret to maintain the balance is just by maintaining the time slots for and giving some time to each and everything. Like when I was preparing for the boards along with competitive exam, I just booked a time slot when I need to study for this subject and when I need to study for the competitive exams. So
Right.
that helped me to like complete everything and just keep pace with everything.
You were regular in the school. Also, you were enrolled with some competitive exams learning. So you managed out the time. This shows the time management is required rather than skipping out the things कि नहीं बच्चे सोचते हैं कि मैं competitive exams को better कर लेता हूँ and board I will be getting 60-70%. But you scored really well in both the board exams as well as in competitive exams. What about the experience of IIM Bangalore? How did you get inspired about this?
So I got to know about the IIM Bangalore in I guess September or October. At that time I was fascinated by the course. So I just got enrolled I registered for the course. Later we went to give the exam in the December and fortunately I qualified the exam. Then there was an interview, personal interview in Delhi. So I went there for the interview. Then it was a whole complex process. Before that we also submitted SEO form
Right.
and different whole process was there. Then after that, I was first not shortlisted and was on the waiting list
Okay.
at number 5. But after 1 month, I just got the offer and call from IIM Bangalore.
So that was also a great achievement, becoming top 5 scorers in that also, in
Yes.
the list of that. That's why you got the offer letter also from IIM Bangalore.
Yes.
Congratulate once again for that. So one more thing, Krishna, we are finding that while learning process, students find that the learning can be better through the online platform like YouTube, social media, other also. But because of this, what parents are also finding and teachers are finding, that the students are becoming addictive for phone and utilizing their time for other purposes also. Their time, most of them spend on social media. What message would you like to deliver and how was your experience using the phone?
I would say unless you are earning or learning from the social media,
Right.
you should not use it. Because I myself didn't use any social media like
Great.
Instagram or Snapchat. I was just using WhatsApp only for the daily communication. So that helped me to focus on my studies and to do all what I wanted. So to remain undistracted from the social media is very
Right.
important. Because when you get addicted to it, you won't even know कि कब आपके 3 से 4 घंटे waste हो गए.
Waste हो गए, exactly.
So focus should be कि if you are using social media productively, then only you should use. Otherwise, time waste करना is not a solution.
So, Krishnam, that will be really helpful for other students spending more times utilizing the phones. And if they believe they are learning through it, is also leading to waste of the time. So, unless it is more productive, you should not use it.
Yes.
That's nice. So, Krishnam, tell me something about your journey. Started from the same school, Kanamakan Millennium only. Since which class you started studying in this school?
I'm this school from class first until 12th. I'm there.
Great. So you joined Kanamakan Millennium School since grade first. So you have a great experience in the same school
Yes.
from last 10 to 11. Each and every teacher knows you. That's great. So how was your experience in that field?
So my experience at Kanamakan Millennium School is very nice. It gave me many opportunities to present myself, to learn, to grow, and to do what I wanted. Like I got the opportunities
Right.
which helped me become a good leader. I was also the head boy in class 12th, which
Great,
gave me
very nice.
opportunity to host many events. Apart from that, taking part in various competition like debate, quizzes, etc. like helped me to grow overall. It helped me in my personality development.
So you have been the head boy also of the school, and you were regular in the school. You achieved great score in 10th as well as 12th. Also, you cracked the competitive. So this thing proved to other students also that time is not a constraint for the success. Even everybody has 24 hours. But the point comes here is to manage the time that we have. We always keep complaining that we don't have time. Student mostly कहते हैं कि sir time नहीं मिला, time नहीं है. But what about the actually we are doing with the time we have? So that's everything related to the time management.
Yes.
That's great. So how was your learning being the part of extracurricular activities along with that learning academics? How school helped you in that?
So in the school, our teachers are very supportive. So like it helped me cover all the syllabus related to boards in school only. So
Great.
I was very good at that. Apart from that, the school gave us opportunity to participate in different competition. Like I was part of speech competitions, debates, quizzes, then also in various other MUN as well. So
Right.
that gave me opportunity to express myself and to learn and to develop my personality overall.
That's great. You also took participations in some competitive exams rather than this IIM Bangalore. Apart from that,
Yeah, I gave the exam for Narsi Muji Institute of Management
Okay.
Studies, NMIMS also, and I qualified for the Mumbai campus,
that's great.
Anil Surendra Modi School of Commerce. Apart from that, I gave that IIM Bangalore UG exam, which I qualified as well, and then the CVT as well.
So we have a boy having offers from various government colleges, also from the top private universities. Means the first ranking school of Narsi Monji has also offered you the course of BBA which you selected.
Yes.
So that's great, Krishnam. I got to know that you did not join any coaching also in the evening. Like you were regular in the school.
Yes, sir.
So it means what message would you like to deliver to the students skipping the classes sometimes? What should be the planning in that direction?
I would say like we should maintain a good attendance in a school. It not only helps in academics,
Yes.
but also helps you grow in different various other areas. Like it helps you to grow good leadership quality.
Great.
You learn how to make friends. You learn how to talk, how to manage your time. So
Yes.
school helps you a lot. And when you come to school regularly, I believe your academics are already done. So
Yes.
at home you can just do the revision and your everything is set.
That's really great. Thank you, Krishnam. One more thing, like we have, what we found is that some students have different habits like music, dance. Some are interested in sports as well, and they devote their time for these habits. How these habits also support and like what was your habit and how it was supported for your success?
Yes, habits are very important because having some hobbies as your habit
Yes.
makes you a good person.
Right.
It helps you refresh your mind and just distract yourself from that chaos, from the stress that you are having. Like I also played badminton every evening, which helps me to refresh my mind and
Great.
just to relax after good study.
So managing the time between these two habits and your daily studies, daily regular schedules is also helpful for the success.
Yes.
And keeping the balance with the mental level and the physical level. That's great, Krishnam. Krishnam, one more question I have for you. What about the sleeping hours, the leisure hours, the leisure time you spent during your studies? Like some students believe that we should devote maximum hours in studying only and less hours for leisure. But some students says that no, leisure time is important, and they give good time for that also. They manage that both things. But some students study late night. तो व्हाट वाज योर शेड्यूल लाइक जो बच्चों के लिए एक हेल्पफुल हो सकता है?
So I never studied very late night, like
Okay.
till 1 or 2. I studied till around 11, so not very late night. But I believe that there should be proper sleep time as well as proper rest between your study time. Because when you take a break for 15 minutes, half an hour also between studies, it just rejuvenates you and refreshes you. So I think they are important.
राइट.
And then I should say that whether you should be a morning person or a night person, that
Right.
totally depends on your schedule and your condition. Both are equally important.
Both are equally important. How much time you devoted for the self study on regular basis?
I didn't give very much time to self study. It was just 3 to 4 hours per day and not more.
Means consistent 3 to 4 hours studies will be sufficient also, and then becoming regular in the school.
It's better than studying 12 hours just one day before exam.
Just one day before the exam. So consistency, discipline in the life of the student plays a very important role for the success. Be a regular student in the school and studying 3 to 4 hours for the self study apart from that regular studies will definitely reach your goal. So Krishnam, what was the most valuable asset for you in the student life?
I would say the most valuable asset, not only for me but for everyone, is the time.
Time.
Because once gone, it will never come back. So
Yes.
like for me also, when it was the time for study, I was totally focused. And when it was the time for fun, then also I was not worried about my studies, but rather enjoying and doing fun.
That's really great. यहाँ से मुझे एक थॉट कृष्णम याद आता है. Someone wrote this line, नहीं रुकता जो रोके से उसे तूफान कहते हैं, मुसीबत में जो ना कांपे उसे बलवान कहते हैं, चले पीछे समय के जो न कोई मोल है उसका, समय पीछे चले जिसके उसे इंसान कहते हैं. Time valued a most. That proved from the journey of your success. That's line also matched here, and students should follow these lines and should respect the time that they have
Yes.
rather than wasting in only masti and fun. But इसमें आपका zero period और lunch time कैसे spend होता था? What was the masti or what was the learning?
So 0 period and lunch time में, if any pending work है, then first वो complete.
Okay.
Like first the lunch, gossiping
yes,
with
obviously.
friends, doing fun. After that, I did my studies only.
That's great. Krishnam, what was a major role player in your success?
Sir, I would say the major role played and the most important role played in my life
Yes.
was of my parents and my elder
Great.
brother, my brother Keshav Bhaiya. Because he guided me at every point,
Right.
from filling the form to appearing for the exam, going there, giving the interview. He was part of everything.
Great.
So he was the only one who guided me. Apart from that, my parents also supported me, who never let me feel underconfident and always supported me to go everywhere where I
Great.
could. And apart from that, the teachers who supported me through academically as well as gave me confidence that I can do, that was unforgettable.
Krishnam, as per you, what is success?
Sir, I would say success is not a destination, it is your journey. It is just a byproduct of what you do every day, byproduct of your consistency.
Means
And-
the outcome.
Yes.
The outcome and the reflection. So rather than thinking about the past, if it was not that much good, rather than thinking about the future, what it will be and worrying about that, better to focus on the present.
Present.
And maintaining the present lifestyle. This will improve your future and will shine it great. So Krishna, one more thing is there. Not only the phone addiction, if we talk about for the student, are also worrying about whether the child should go for the competing exams by skipping the schools. Means they are enrolled in some competitive exams and they have skipped the schools, or they should have a regular studies with the schools along with the consistent self studies and the doubt clearance with the teachers. What path you followed?
So I was consistent to school because I believe I could study better in school Apart from that, I didn't took any offline coaching.
Okay.
So I study from school only. But if you are feeling that if you are not getting much from the school, or you're
Right.
feeling that you can do better study at home or do better self study, then only you should prefer to study at home. But coming to school does not only make you academically strong.
Right.
Like, it gives you other areas to grow. So I believe school is important.
School is important. That's really nice. And following this principle, I can suggest, and you got that success. So it means it proved a lot that yes, school important hai, and regularity se, discipline se, a child can get what he wants and deserve. So कृष्णम, एक स्टडी टेक्निक जो और स्टूडेंट यूज करे, कुछ ऐसा सजेशन आप बच्चों के लिए देना चाहेंगे?
वैसे तो एवरीवन हैज अ डिफरेंट स्टडी स्ट्रेटेजी, सबके प्रोडक्टिव आवर्स भी डिफरेंट होते हैं.
राइट.
बट मेन थिंग वुड बी कि बस थोड़ा थोड़ा करना चाहिए टू बी कंसिस्टेंट. लाइक इफ यू आर गिविंग ओनली जस्ट 2 to 3 hours also, 4 hours also for a study, टाइम डिवाइडेड होना चाहिए. लाइक मुझे 1 hour या 2 hours अपने बोर्ड्स के लिए देने, एंड 1 hour मुझे अपना कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम, बी इट सीयूईटी और एनी अदर एग्जाम, 1 hour उसके लिए डिवोट करना है. सो दैट वुड बी बेटर, बिकॉज इफ यू आर नॉट हैविंग एनी प्लान, या कोई आपका फिक्स्ड आवर नहीं है, या कोई टारगेट नहीं है कि
Right.
कि मुझे ये चैप्टर या ये एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट करनी है, सो दैट वुड नॉट बी बेटर, बिकॉज उससे फिर यू विल बी अनडिसिप्लिन्ड. सो एक टारगेट सेट करना या प्रोडक्टिव आवर्स अपने फाइंड आउट करना, एंड देन उस पे फॉलो करना, दैट्स इंपॉर्टेंट.
That's nice. So, Krishnam, you have offers from many colleges and universities. What selection you have made?
So I have got the offer from Kirodimal College in Delhi University. So currently I have accepted that offer only.
Okay, that's great. Congratulations. Karodimal in itself is a big name and a good brand, and will definitely help you out for the further growth. And you will be listed with the top B schools as well. So, but still, I think so. You have upgraded for that and
Yes,
waiting
sir.
for the much better.
Yes.
That's great also, because we should also keep working on that. But still, Kirodimal is a big name, and I believe your learning will be very great there itself. Good, good. It's congratulations to you, and your parents would be proud for you, I believe.
Yes, sir.
And same is the school management. And आज हमने जाना कि सक्सेस सिर्फ मार्क्स से ही नहीं आती. Success also comes from the discipline. For a student, there is a message that being regular in the school and consistent studies of even 4 hours of self studies apart from the regular school hours will definitely help you. School has a great role in building your leadership skills, and if school has that much of platform which is being provided to the student like Krishnam utilized in upgrading his skills, his presentation skills performed at various stages. Also, after being the head boy of the school, he managed and figured out the things that he scored that much exceptionally well. So, school is proud of you, and thank you a lot for being the part of Kanamakan Millennium School and your contribution also in this school. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.